Self-healing materials are a fascinating area of research that holds the key to creating more resilient and durable products. The idea of a material that can repair itself without human intervention has captured the imagination of scientists and engineers around the world. In this video, we'll dive deeper into the science behind self-healing materials and explore the different mechanisms that make this technology possible. We'll also look at some of the most exciting applications of self-healing materials, from aerospace to consumer electronics. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of what self-healing materials are, how they work, and why they are such an important area of research. Whether you're a scientist, engineer, or simply someone interested in the latest technology trends, this video is sure to provide you with some fascinating insights into the future of resilient products. So sit back, relax, and join us as we explore the exciting world of self-healing materials. Self-healing materials are a fascinating area of research with the potential to revolutionize a wide range of industries. These materials are capable of repairing damage to themselves without the need for human intervention. This means that products made with self-healing materials can last longer and require less maintenance, making them more cost-effective and sustainable. One of the most promising examples of self-healing materials is polymeric materials that can heal themselves when damaged. These materials contain microcapsules filled with a healing agent, which is released when the material is damaged. The healing agent then reacts with the surrounding material, filling in any cracks or breaks. This technology has applications in a wide range of industries, from aerospace to consumer electronics. Another example of self-healing materials is shape memory alloys. These materials can remember their original shape even after being deformed, making them ideal for use in products that are subject to wear and tear. When the material is damaged, it can be heated to its original shape, effectively repairing the damage and restoring the material's structural integrity. Overall, self-healing materials are an exciting area of research with the potential to transform the way we think about product design and maintenance. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see more and more applications for self-healing materials in the future. Now the question that comes to mind is, how do self-healing materials work? The answer depends on the type of material and the mechanism used. One of the most common mechanisms involves the use of microcapsules filled with a healing agent. These microcapsules are embedded within the material and can be ruptured when the material is damaged. When the capsules rupture, the healing agent is released into the surrounding material where it reacts and repairs any cracks or breaks. Another mechanism used in self-healing materials is shape memory. This mechanism allows the material to remember its original shape, even after being deformed. When the material is damaged, it can be heated to its original shape, effectively repairing the damage. This is achieved through the use of shape memory alloys, which can remember their original shape and return to it when heated. Some self-healing materials also use a combination of mechanisms. For example, a material may use microcapsules filled with a healing agent as well as shape memory to repair the damage. When the material is damaged, the microcapsules rupture, releasing the healing agent into the surrounding material. The material can then be heated to its original shape, effectively repairing the damage and restoring the material's structural integrity. Overall, self-healing materials are an exciting area of research with the potential to transform a wide range of industries. By using innovative mechanisms, these materials can repair damage and extend the lifespan of products, making them more sustainable and cost-effective. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see more and more applications for self-healing materials in the future. Self-healing materials have the potential to transform a wide range of industries, making them more resilient and durable. From aerospace to consumer electronics, the applications of this technology are endless. In aerospace, self-healing materials could be used to repair damage to the fuselage or wings caused by hail or bird strikes. This would reduce maintenance costs and improve safety. Self-healing materials could also be used in satellites to repair damage caused by micrometeoroids, extending their lifespan and reducing the need for costly replacements. In the automotive industry, self-healing materials could be used in car bodies to repair small scratches or dents, reducing the need for expensive body repairs. This could be especially useful for luxury vehicles, which are often more prone to scratches and dings. Self-healing materials could also be used in automotive glass, allowing small cracks to repair themselves before they become larger and more dangerous. Consumer electronics could also benefit from self-healing materials. These materials could be used in smartphones or tablets to repair cracks or scratches on the screen, improving durability and longevity. This would reduce the need for costly screen replacements and help consumers save money. In infrastructure, self-healing materials could be used in concrete or asphalt to repair cracks caused by weather or heavy use. This would improve the lifespan of roads, bridges, and other structures, reducing the need for costly repairs and replacements. Self-healing materials could also be used in pipelines, reducing the risk of leaks and extending their lifespan. Overall, self-healing materials have the potential to revolutionize a wide range of industries, making them more sustainable and cost-effective. As technology continues to advance and become more affordable, we can expect to see more and more applications for this exciting technology. While self-healing materials offer many exciting possibilities, there are also challenges and limitations to this technology. One challenge is the cost of production, as self-healing materials can be more expensive than traditional materials. Another challenge is the durability of the healing agents, which can degrade over time and reduce the effectiveness of the self-healing process. Additionally, some materials are better suited for self-healing than others. For example, metals are not as effective at self-healing as polymers, due to their higher melting points and lower diffusion rates. Self-healing materials are a revolutionary technology with the potential to transform a wide range of industries. From aerospace to consumer electronics, this technology could improve the durability and longevity of products, reduce maintenance costs, and improve safety. While there are challenges and limitations to this technology, researchers and scientists are working to overcome these obstacles and bring self-healing materials to market. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.